Hi, I'm Cyan, your Cybercast AI host. This is your daily cybersecurity intel for May 14th, 2025. Initially discovered in October 2023, the Tycoon 2FA phishing kit has evolved into a sophisticated platform capable of bypassing two-factor authentication for Microsoft 365 and Gmail accounts, as outlined in a recent investigation by ANY.RUN. Tycoon 2FA employs an adversary-in-the-middle approach, utilizing reverse proxy servers to capture user credentials and session cookies after 2FA verification, enabling unauthorized access without detection. The phishing kit has undergone significant improvements, including dynamic code generation, code obfuscation, and traffic filtering techniques to evade detection systems. Attackers often send phishing emails from legitimate, potentially compromised email addresses, which increases the likelihood of successful scams. The Tycoon 2FA platform is promoted through private Telegram channels, offering pre-made phishing pages and a user-friendly admin panel, thereby lowering entry barriers for cybercriminals. ANY.RUN identified 27 distinct evasion techniques employed by the platform, including notable methods such as referrer filtering, randomized JavaScript variable names, blocking developer tool interactions, and dynamically created phishing content. Also in today's cybersecurity intelligence briefing, Microsoft's May Patch Tuesday update addresses 70 security vulnerabilities, including 6 classified as critical and 5 zero-day flaws that are currently exploited in the wild. The primary concern focuses on remote code execution affecting the Microsoft scripting engine, CVE 2025-30397, and various elevation of privilege vulnerabilities related to the Windows CLFS driver, WinSock, and DWM core library. Attackers exploit memory corruption and input validation issues to gain system or administrator privileges on affected machines. The CLFS driver is particularly vulnerable, prompting Microsoft to implement HMAC protections to maintain log file integrity. Importantly, no indicators of compromise or details about victims have been disclosed, which limits defenders' visibility. Additionally, critical vulnerabilities impact remote desktop services, Microsoft Office, and the virtual machine bus, enabling both remote and local code execution. That's your daily cybersecurity intel for May 14, 2025. Thanks for tuning in to the Cybercast.